Hey, it's your boy back on another video, and as you know, we left off. I think at Michigan. I did King the Hill. It got boring after the video. Oh shoot! Oh, I have 8 now. Oh, that's 10. Never mind. So let's do this one. There's a lot of these. I don't know, these 20, now there are 4, so yeah. Oh no, not an ad. Are you serious? What is this game? Sounds so ugly. No more. Oh dang. Oh, beast. I'm tired now, guys, so I'm not playing that good. I'm playing like a drunk. Whoa, ooh, got him. Oh, the volume's so loud. Oh, come here, little alien. Oh, I got it. So it looks like I'm an astronaut. Boom. Oh, no. No! Alien tag. I gotcha. Oh, got him. Oh, that have been successful, but it was easy. Meow. That was pretty easy, guys. Defeat 3 enemies. It's gonna be easy. I mean, I'm not even trying my best, and I'm like, cause I'm so tired right now. Hey, look at the cow. No. Hey, look, that's where it's supposed to go. Wait there, brother. Hold on. Whoa. The abusive right there, brother. Oh. Okay, got one. No, don't die. You stupid little aliens. You will flip and pay for this. No, stupid aliens. Akinesis, you will pay. Oh, I could have lived that. Boom. 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 Oh. Boom. Get out of my face, aliens. You have nothing on me. I'm joking. They probably do in reality, but let's go. Yahoo! Oh, oh no. No! Oh, what's that? Poke him in the eye. Cows once again. No! Are you serious? No. What's that? Oh, no! Oh, please tell me I'm the alien now. Oh, yeah. I don't know if I am because I have that little metal thing on my head. I know that was supposed to represent. Oh. Oh, no, not the cows. No. Oh. Die. Oh, no. I get hit with this little mini tank. Meow. I can be here all day, Sonny. Just floating. Why is that guy? Oh, almost got him. Oh, it's sudden death. Oh, he's dead. Plane. Oh! No, don't die. Oh no, I do not want to go there. Because I had the tank. It's the worst thing to have right now. Okay, gotta go. Okay, get that boy. Oh, barely. Kobe. Okay, I'm missing the shot. Ooh. The shot wasn't successful. Think I'm like an Indian guy. That was like a trick shot. Oh! Now. Oh, I almost died. No! Kobe. Bam! Ooh! Bam! Got you. Bam! I can just be here all day. I can just be here all day, right? Am I right? I can just be here all day. Oh, because I knew if I could have moved, I would have been dead. They separated us. That's how aliens went into space and we went into Earth. Good job, team. Whoa! No! Meow! Oh, I completed the mission finally. Mars attacks. I don't know if aliens exactly live on Mars. Collect all the coins. Oh, cows. Oh. Kobe. Whoa, I'm alien. I love this. Oh no. So I have to collect all the cows. It's gonna be pretty easy. Oh, I barely got one. But I died, so it didn't count. It's actually pretty easy to drive this alien thing. Oh, I just needed one more cow. Meow. Hello, fellow aliens. So, thank you for dropping me. And letting me to die from humans. Go! You're so little. I'm so little, I don't do. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Don't die. Oh, holy Lord. Go, alien, don't die on me. God, he got the cows. 255. How many? 275 now. Defeat 3 enemies, that's too easy. Oh, yeah, it's still too easy. I don't know who I am, but I'm the predator. Yeah, take these tentacles I have in my car. He just killed himself. Mexicans. Even though I'm one. Do not. The cows put all his milk in my face. Oh, I'm that meme kind of alien. What? I hit his face. How? Wow, when I hit the floor and I hit him with like this tire. And he didn't die. No. Oh wow, cow, thank you. No! Cows are great relationships. Why do we only have like... Why? Are you serious? Oh, that's so close. Alright, peace out, bull. Oh no. Johnny. Oh, got him. Oh, why is it so hard to do this? For some reason, I'm actually getting killed by my own kind. For some reason, I'm always falling. Yes, go. Go, B. Kill yourself. Dun, dun. Taco show. Taco, taco. I thought I could win. Taco, taco, loco. Meow. Kobe. Kobe Bryant. Oh. Kobe. Yeah, get floated away by my fellow kind. I'm just here doing backflips. Wow. I certainly do not know why I'm going forwards and killing myself. Alright, I'm gonna end the video in a little bit. Been 11 minutes and I'm dying. Alright, I'm just gonna let him. Meow. He's gonna be a hero. This car. Go, fellow mates, no! Save me, car, save me. Thank you, aliens. I love you, certainly very much. Nothing to worry about. That, and I won. So guys, as you can see, I'm back in the beach. So yeah, let's do this. I'm in the turtles now, and I just died. I hate it. I love this, but like you go too fast though. I mean, look at this. Look. Meow. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Whoa. I don't even know how to control this guy. It's so hard. Meow. Watch this. I'm gonna kill him like nothing. See? See that? That's called being a pro at this game. Pickle. Turtle. Kobe. Oh. Lead Jesus. Oh. I mean, you would not want to get hit by those crabs, right? No, you would not. Oh, was that anime? Are you serious? Alright guys, so I really don't know what I'm going against. I don't know what that was. That's like a brain. Sands! I didn't know Sands would come out. But I know this rock and roll guy, whatever, Terminator. Ugh! It's so hard. They get these wiggly jiggly things and I get these little sea boats. Look, he has a fist from Baymax. Like, that's incredible. How did he even get that in the first place? Look, once again he has it. Except I killed him this time. I mean, look at this guy. He's like an octopus or a spider. He can't die because he has wheels all over him. Well, I killed him, but still. Oh, it's Mini versus Mini. Wow. Looks like I just need 2 more, guys. Hey, look, it's Mr. Brain. Once again, I don't know how he lives. Hey, look, it's Jason Voorhees. Why is there a penguin right there? It's me, I'm seeing things because I'm tired. 20 coins, guys. And if we 5 enemies, that's going to be pretty hard. I mean, underwater, pretty sure it's going to be hard. I mean, who could do anything underwater? I mean, I can do a handstand. Ugh. I mean, how am I surviving? I mean, look at this. Chaos. I bet you I would have been drowning right now if I was underwater. Well, not if I had an air tank, but if I was a cat and a rat, I would have been dead. I just need like 3. I need 5. Alright, and I won. Ooh, I got so much coin. Collect all the treasures. Or I'm a pirate. Me hardy. Oh, I didn't need one more. Are you serious? Move, I need to get me treasures. Army Hardy happened again. Ba-ba-da. Ba-ba-da. Oh, I didn't know. I thought that would hit his head, but. Ba-ba-da. No! There's 6! Ah! So he's totally doomsday. Alright, go back. Boom. Bam. And he would have died already. Leppity-dap, I wish I had a roof, but I don't. Oh. I'm so tired, guys. You see that? Oh! Got their moves around. Wee, why is a penguin on a palm tree? Ugh. Whoa, that was cool if I dodged that. Boom. I'm so flexible, no one can touch me. Except this volleyball. And this maniac or these fireworks that can't touch me. Oh, no, don't kill me. Because I don't know what you're doing. You're just shaking your car. You're like, near, 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 near. Even though you're flying in the air. Oh, boy. Get wrecked. Noob. Okay, I need... Yo, I did like the best stunt ever in this game. Like, I'm a total master. I just needed 2 more. I mean, I was like the master stunner until that happened. Oh, oh! Don't die, please don't die. Scratching my nose. Oh! Oh, I'm doing so much stunts right now, guys. I mean, look at this stunt. There. That was a failure. I tried the game. I don't know why there's bombs in a tree, but okay. Under the tires for some reason. I'm just really running over anyone or stunt. This is gonna be stunt right now. Watch this, guys. Double kill somehow, because I'm not a big guy at this game. Look at this stunt. Boom! Yeah. I believe I died. Stunt. Ooh. Kobe. Not to get that volleyball out of the way. Oh, did you see that? I wasn't even paying attention and I literally like ran over that guy. I don't even know how. Time to get rid of the volleyball. probably gonna kill that guy too, but... Woo! I love this game, guys. Well, I could have dodged that, whatever that was. Coconut. 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 Boom. Don't spawn right there where the trophy is. Now that was a stunt. Actually, it wasn't because I didn't land it, so... This is gonna be a stunt. Now that's a stunt. That's a stunt right there. See, weird thing that could also happen in this game that was a stunt right there. That too. This is gonna be a stunt. 2018. Boom. Bam, bam. Two more. Are you serious? Hello, Mr. Subway. Come on. I'm doing this for my cousin, Slime Gaming. Yee yippee hoo. No. I know, did this for my cousin, Slime Gaming. Sorry. If I won one of these for my cousin Slime Gaming. And if I won, I'm probably gonna do very good. Oh! No, 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 no. Oh, 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 no! Meow. Kobe. Fall off the tree, coconut once again. Do this stunt once again. Fly over this car and kill this. Oh, never mind. Somehow I dodged my favorite stunt ever, like this one. Kill both of these people. Kill this one too. Kill this one too. I'm Michael Myers. Boom! I wanna vroom vroom. I wish I had a monster truck. I ought to be running over everyone. Watch this. Where did it go? That time it's gonna come down and it's oh no. That was my second one. Well, at least I got rid of that volleyball for it wouldn't bother me anymore. Oh no, God, I can't even reach you 5. I mean, I'm only doing this for you guys. Oh no, don't land on my head. Oh. Okay, killed him like Michael Myers. Don't! Oh, that beach ball's wrecking everyone like they're a piece of nothing. Thank you. Appreciate it, beach ball. Got it. That was the last one though. Oh, I just flipped him over like you're a piece of trash. Like you're a piece of garbage, kid. Get wrecked, you noob. La 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 la. Why? He has to be a tie, bro. Let me cross the bridge, Donald Dump. Oh. Just had to land on me. It's for my cousin. Slime Gaming, once again. This is a stunt I did in 2018. Slime Gaming, if you're watching this is for you. Oh my God, I'm gonna kill myself. Watch this, guys. Alright, I'm never gonna die. Watch this. I'm gonna complete this for you guys, and if I die, then you can call me loser in the comments. I bet you can, but Fly? Why is it recording that? Like, I didn't even do that right now. Boom, die. I'm so embarrassed. Yeah. Can you cut the video, please? Yeah, hold up. Guys, I finally beat this level. And it took me like an hour. I'm not even joking. So appreciate my videos, please. Survive 15 seconds. Well, that's gonna be easy. If I'm not small. Well, I'm a goofy goofer. Nice. Watch your head on ad. I did all this effort and this is what I get. An ad of a sucky game. Ugh. Never mind. I don't. Goofy goofer. Hey. We're all goofy goofers. I survived 6 seconds. That's half of the 12 or 15. Oh, those cows. Why is everyone making fun of cows? They milk us milk for our cereal. Like, do you want our cows to die and we don't have no more macaroni, no more cereal, no more anything? And all cows will be doing is milk will be fire and milk. Oh no. I can't even survive 15 seconds. This beach ball. This burger and tire are making me suffer. Hold up. If I do this, and I'm gonna die. No way, I threw. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Ugh. That gets me pumped up every time. Did you guys see that? I literally dodged these cows and might actually survive. This for, I was about to say this is for my cousin again, but nope, I did not survive. Joint. Die. Appreciate yourself, Burger King. You're lucky you get to beat me. Well, alright, see you guys in the next video. I'm joking. I'm gonna do this until it gets to 30 minutes. I'm doing this so like it's my longest video I've ever made. So yay! Guys, I might actually win. My name's Ali I. And now I'm gonna 10 seconds. Just needed 5 more seconds tonight. Okay, I'm gonna stand still. Now go. Okay, I'm gonna stand still once again. Boom. And he's dead. How do I flip over? Ooh, no coconuts. Why didn't let me move? Why is there like a goofy burr? Boom! Quick muck, truck muck. Boy. This is impossible. This is impossible. Boom. Die. Now I might get hit by another cow. 10 seconds. 8. Are you serious? Hold up. I thank you so much, Beast Ball. You. Oh, that first one was going for me. I just know it. My friend Beast Bro. Boom, I'm gonna survive. Got it. Alright guys, thanks you guys for watching. For 30 minutes. And see you in the next one. What's going on? First of all, I have no idea what's going on. Why Bible? I want to touch a but I'm trying to end the video here. Ugh. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one, and bye.